Happy International Wetlands Day, protecting the ecosystems that protect life itself. Before cities and concrete, there were wetlands, where water paused, soil breathed, and land learned how to heal. They absorbed floods, filtered poison, recharged aquifers, and quietly sustained civilizations. In 1971, the Ramsar Convention recognized this truth: wetlands as water memory, flood sentinels, and living food forests. Yet we drained them, paved them, and called it progress. Now, floods arrive faster, wells fall silent, food fills stomachs, not health. This is ecological amnesia. At Vintage Village, regeneration begins by restoring water's right to pause. Through wetlands, rainwater harvesting pits, and earth-shaped bunds that hold rain where it falls. Protecting water, soil, and land is not optional. It is every individual's responsibility.